Let's deep dive into the first component of the SCARF model, S, status. Status often gets bad reputation. We tend to see it as a superficial need, but actually it's a very primal one and deeply ingrained in our psychology. Oh, hello. Isn't that a fine-looking fella? Robert Sapolsky would say so. He spent 12 years studying olive baboons in Africa. If you don't know much about olive baboons, A, they live in large societal groups, between 50 to 200 in a troop. Also, they are extremely intelligent, and they live in a place where they have a lot of food accessible, and since they are quite large animals, they don't have predators attacking them too much. Because of this, they are able to create very complex hierarchies and accompanying social stresses. Does it sound familiar? Whether you like it or not, they make excellent models for studying human societies. So what did Sapolsky find? In general, higher-ranking baboons had lower levels of cortisol. So the higher the rank, the less stressful life you lead. If that's not enough motivation to fight for higher status, then I don't know what is. How would this play out at work? Imagine you walk into a boardroom with the 5 CEOs of the 5 biggest companies in your industry. As you walk into that room, your medial prefrontal cortex is going to scan the environment to establish what is your status in that group. Your title, your experience, your education, and a number of other factors are going to determine how you rank against the others. Now imagine that one of those CEOs asks a question. And imagine that you have the perfect solution. So you speak up. The second you do, your brain is going to start scanning the environment for social cues. If those cues are positive, so you will notice nods and smiles, striatum, part of your brain's reward system, is going to be activated. You are going to experience a boost in motivation stemming from the fact that you've scored some points on status. However, if you see frowns and pursed lips, your insula may register this as a threat to your status, which may activate fight or flight response. So you will either choose to stay silent for the rest of the meeting, or you may choose to argue that your idea is actually great. And that was the first component of the SCARF model, S, status. I hope you will continue to the second one, C, certainty. See you there.